Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this series of videos in which we are showing you how we can use Excel to manage different languages script. This means just suppose you have one column having an original text and which you got it translated through a Google Translator right into different languages like Arabic is the original text, and then comes the Urdu, and it has this text generated by the Google Translator. And if we switch to English, so this is the English translation. If we switch to Hindi, it is. So one thing you can notice, some languages are having more words, a lengthy script generated when as compared to the others, right? So it strikes us the idea that why not we make a comparative analysis to find out that which of the languages are using fewer words, most means minimum words to translate one original script in Arabic, right? So the rule of thumb which is being used normally is the space character. Normally in every language, especially in English, in Urdu, a space shows that it is an end of word or sentence, or it's the end of one word, right? So this is on this basis we can count the words. We can count the words in any language, right? So let's see that if we say that what was in Arabic, and so Arabic is B. We switch this to B. So how many were the words in the Arabic sentence? So and in Arabic it was seven words. This as per this function. Although our Arabic Arab brothers will not agree to it because the space is not their demarcation of a word. Actually, for one word which is being treated as a one word may be a full sentence, may be a full means plenty of words within one word, right? So, but let's ignore that. Otherwise, for all of the other languages like English, this is true that we have. As soon as a word finishes, a space begins. So that is a word. If is a word. My is a word. Lord is a word. Yeah, these all are word, right? So how many words are there? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, right? So if our formula is giving 13, then we can depend on it. Okay, so this is G column. So we change the formula from V7 to G7, G7, G7. We will discuss this sub functions like substitute and len, and this, we will discuss all them. Then let's see that whether this function comes with 13 or not. Yes, it comes with 13, so it is working properly. If we agree this as a rule, that where there is a space, so it means it's the next word is a new word, and the previous word was one word, right? It means before the previous space, right? So this was after the previous space, right? So this is the on the basis of this assumption uh, we can work out an analysis, a comparative study between the languages, that how powerful a language is, that fewer are the words to communicate a sentence, so that much it is its power, right? It's a powerful language, and the more it is using the words, it means it is comparatively requires it's a weaker position in compared to the other language, which you have a few words in it. Okay, so this may be wrong, but I may be wrong, but this is just a analysis for the purpose of analysis. Right? The people may disagree with me, but let's take if we take it as granted that so what we do, we write all the languages in here and we bring the formula in here. So the first sentence was 7 in Arabic. Let's see, go in to the Arabic and see is it looking to us 7 words. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, right? So this is 7 is correct. And in Urdu, it is coming 15. In Urdu, it is coming 15. Let's go to the Urdu and see. Yeah, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? So 15 is the right answer, right? So what we did is just we copied this formula. This is actually one formula which is dragged in it, and it automatically resolves. If I remove everything here and leave that formula like this, and we delete everything, okay, just to show you that how to do such a thing, right? So we have only one this formula. This is the replica of the formula which we showed. Only we started with Arabic, right? And then we drag it. We drag it until here. So it comes to the Arabic is all automatically, as you can see, is replaced with the Urdu automatically. And Urdu is replaced with English automatically, Hindi, and then comes Bangla, right? Then one line is blank. So what we do, we use a blank line and then we copy it, right? Right. So what would happen? So it will bring all your comparison. Yeah. So the second line having six in Arabic, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Hmm. Although I don't agree that these are the six. Wa is one word. Watufi, plenty of there are certain pronouns in it, and there are certain things. So can't be termed as. But since the space is being used as a delimiter, and then fine, you can say there are six. No, not the word, but the segments of this poetry verses. Okay, so this is how we use. And now let's discuss what is that formula all about, uh, which counts the word. The counting of the word is simple. If you if you divide, if you remove all these things, so first of all, what is being calculated is actually 59. That is the length, complete length, including all the spaces in it, right? As 59. And then 59 is the one thing, right? And the next thing is, I put a control V. The next thing is substitute clause, which says that replace all the spaces with the null, and then count the difference. And so this is the difference, +1. So this eventually gets to you the complete word count, right? So this is the substitute. Substitute is actually a replacement mechanism function, which replaces your desired character, which is the target character, which you can give any character with a certain character. So so here we are replacing the space with a null, and then counting the length. So that gives you uh, the counting the words, means what are that's a shorter part of the string. So when these two are when A is directed by B, this is B, so you get the one number of counts. So let me show you what is the second part. The second part is simply this one, right? So let's put an equal to sign here. So 48. 48 minus 53. This was 53, right? You remember? If I reduce, the length was 59. Yeah, 59 minus 58. So if you deduct 48 minus 59 minus 48, so that gives you 11. So +1. So that gives you +1. And then you have to do a +1 also. You can do this, yes. So these are the 12 character, right? In the G7. What is G? The G is English, I think. Yeah, G is English. So if the word count in English, if you say the word count in English was 13, right? And in our analysis here of this formula is that this minus this +1, that is 13. Yeah. So this is, you can add +1 in here as we have done it in the formula. So that this is the breakup of the 13. Yeah. This is how the 13 come. It is 59 minus 47. That gives you 13. So that's how it is calculated. Okay. So you can further use your further analytical to to check how consistently is this Arabic is winning, whereas all the other languages are having more. And if you compare with other languages like Urdu and so English is more uh, powerful and then Urdu, right? And Hindi is more powerful than Urdu, right? So you can do this comparison as well on the basis of this of the rule of thumb that the delimiter is a space. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.